How to track Halloween candy in Myfitnesspal. Welcome back to the channel, and let's start with the video. For this, install the Myfitnesspal application that is easily available in your Play Store or App Store. Log in or sign up to set up your application first and foremost. To track your Halloween candy, you can use the option of scan barcode on your Myfitnesspal. Select the option of diary. In here, you'll be able to add your lunch, dinner, breakfast, and more. Just go ahead and tap on add food, and at the top you will see this option of scan a meal, scan a barcode, and quick add. Select scan a barcode and select the barcode which will be at the back side of your Halloween candy packet. It will let you know the exact nutrient value and calorie it possesses. And by that way, you'll be easily able to track your Halloween candy. If this feature is not for you, try out these methods. First and foremost, open up your Play Store or App Store and search for Myfitnesspal. If there is an update, leave it for an update. After this, open up your mobile settings, scroll down, tap on System Update, and make sure that your system is up to date so that it can support the version of your Myfitnesspal. By this way, you'll be able to utilize your Myfitnesspal to track your food and every snack, not just your Halloween candy. That's it for this video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.